What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the ab wheel rollout. Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through the key points of performance. So I see ab wheel rollouts done all the time like this here. Right? With the back arching, I talk about it in everything that we do. Flaring of the ribs does absolutely nothing. You want to get used to pulling your ribs down, squeezing your glutes. So if you're doing the ab rollout, pull your ribs down, bring your knees together, squeeze your glutes, and if this is as far as you can go without breaking of the ribs or spine, that's as far as you get. So lock this down, only go as far as you can without this happening. Full range of motion is excellent, but you want to get stronger in each position. Roll it out, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your glutes. Looking down will help you keep your ribs down. Exhale, pull it in. Look down at your belly. Exhale, pull it in. That's the ab wheel rollout. Get after it.